The new BMW 1300 GS and GS Adventure features a strikingly unique X-shaped headlight for the first time in BMW history. Like always, this beautiful piece of German engineering is gorgeous, but quite pricey, so if you happen to damage it while you're riding on the trails, replacing it can be north of $2,000. In order to protect your investment and keep your light running good into the future, consider picking up the Touratech Headlight Guard compatible with the R1300 GS or the R1300 GS Adventure. It mounts with 3 quick disconnect fasteners that mount into place with small tabs that can be installed by just popping this peak off and putting it right back in place there. And installation and removal is really a snap. Whenever you need to clean it, pop it off for a photo shoot or anything like that, you just pop it out of its little brackets here, and then it's back to stock. You can clean your headlight, you can inspect it, clean up the guard, get any bug guts off there, or anything you'd like that. It's available in this gorgeous aluminum color here, this finished black with an X pattern, or you can also get one of the clear acrylic Macrolon protectors, which helps cover it up without putting any weird shadows on the ground or anything like that. This one does pick up a good bit more bugs though with that full surface coverage. So if you're interested in this product, please check it out at Touratech-USA.com and consider installing it on your R1300 GS or R1300 GS Adventure.